In this example, we want to determine how many degrees is the angle shown below. Notice that this angle is a negative angle because it goes in the clockwise direction. So whenever we start problems like this, we look at where the spiral starts on the x-axis. So it starts right where I put my green dot, and then the angle makes a full rotation, so it makes 360 degrees around, and then it continues going. So we know that we have negative 360 plus however much it keeps going from where it hits the x-axis to where it finally lands in the second quadrant. So we need to figure out how much more did the angle keep going past negative 360. Okay, so let me draw this a little bit better. So since it's negative, we count each quadrant by 90 degrees. So right here, the x-axis, that's 0 degrees. And then here's negative 90 degrees, negative 180 degrees, and negative 270 degrees. So notice our angle lands right in the middle of negative 180 and negative 270. So each quadrant is 90 degrees, so that means that half of the quadrant would be 45 degrees. And notice that the angle lands exactly halfway between negative 180 and negative 270. So to find that number, we need to add 45 degrees to 180. So when we do that, we get that this angle right here is negative 225. So when I'm adding that, I'm really adding negative 45 degrees since it's a negative angle. Okay. So from the x-axis, once it started here, it went another negative 225 degrees around. So we want to do negative 360 plus negative 225, and that tells us that our angle measure is negative 585 degrees.